I know guys were expecting something else, but you get this. I set the harvesting state to about 4. Because I'm trying to build my house as quick as possible. It's gonna be 6 by 6. And we're almost done. Oh. Okay, I have fixed it. This time I'm not gonna try to break. But, you know, so instead of getting however amount, I now get a lot more. But to begin with, I need to go collect resources. And a lot. A lot of resources. I need more stats. There's a tree there. I know. It's Ark. Why aren't you playing Zombie Night Terror? Why aren't you playing it? Why are you playing this game? You know, this game was about cheap, you know, because it was on sale. Instead of $60 I get it got for 14 or something. Oh look, the lighthouse. Oh yeah, we're playing on Ragnarok. I'll just go down. And now instead of getting 2, like if you said it's 3, I now get 4 stone. Now watch. This is just until I get my house built. That's a lot. I feel like I should bring my horse with me. Oh, this thing has infinite durability. Sweet. I leveled up. Faster sheet rate at this point. That would make a bow. You know, people's arrows and do that. This is not a weapon. It is a crappy weapon. Except to dodos, because you know, they're just dodos. I don't know how I saved that, but I saved it somehow. I saved it. Here we go. I think like a quarter of the screen's turned on. I force tamed this. For words, I just need the command force tame. Then it was annoying just to find one. Unnecessary. Just me for foundations. So let's begin. What am I at right now? 1, 2, 3. We need approximately 4. 1. And now I just need to build from here. I just want to know what I need a lot more of. We're good on wood and we're good on fiber, so it's just a whole bunch of stash. This guy's completely useless. You only get an XP boost to your dinosaurs. Now the bigger one is kind of useful because you can make them do stuff. Like go search around for berries. Once I find one, I am gonna take one. Now this is a new this is like new for me, this map. I never downloaded the DLCs. For some bizarre reason. Like, it took me this long to oh, let me go download the DLCs. I don't have the best brain in the world. Very long and prolonged. I don't care if my character's tired. Yes, yes, I feel like I should just... That's right, oh, I can make a bow now. Finally, a bow. Finally. Yeah, I also have keep inventory mod, so that means I don't lose any of my items when I die. Ow. 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 I need to get this to spyglass, but that costs crystals. I think I dropped them. Dear God. Hurry up. It cost me 50 wood, and I'm still crafting something. No, people, I'm not good at this game. I've just been playing it for a few days now. Actually, a few months? Weeks? I think it's a few weeks or something. I have absolutely no arrows, and I don't have the arrows unlocked, don't I? Wait, do I not have the arrows unlocked? Oh no, I have the arrows, but I need flint. That's gonna be fun. That wasn't a smart move. Don't criticize me. Oh, I was right. It is. Oh, okay. I swear. I need to move it. I need to move it because I'm just constantly eating. Yes, I am. Oh? What? Oh my goodness, really? Just put away the bow and just focus on bow. Yeah, guys, it's really challenging to build with this screen shade, because it's thinking I'm clicking the screen. It really thinks I'm clicking. What do I need more of? I need to get more wood. Fiber, I just need to do this. Just got a lot more. I'm not gonna be retarded and hit that thing. I picked the best location, didn't I? I don't think I really did. It's fine. But that's a good water source and it's better than the lighthouse. It's fun. Look at that. It will take me forever to get something. Give me. It would take me forever to get from there to there to grab water. And I don't want to do that. So I moved myself. And there's a... I think that's a Giga? It better not be a Giga, because that thing just kills and murders everything. Actually, kills everything in sight. It's like a missile. You don't want to mess with a missile, because that just... No, it's really not a smart decision. I should give myself one flint. Okay, we got flint. Really get a spyglass. No, I don't think that's a good, something on a T-Rex. Sign, I don't know. Just farming. Times everything by 4 to get as much items. The equivalent of, I think, 7 days to die amount of wood. Of course, I will get wood. Oh great, I'm overcrumped. No! Damn it. No, it did not stop me from being overcrumped. Can I move, please? Oh, it's so slow! Right now, I'm even more heavy. You're gonna kill me. Yeah, may at least kill me. I'll show you. I'll show the viewers. Now, in the actual game, your corpse will be there with your items, but the mod I have installed... Watch this. With this mod installed, the game can actually load. Not this lag, I think it's just because the screen isn't. All my items are saved. Damn it, I spawned at the lighthouse. Take a few. How should I make? 7? I don't think it's 7. Go to this one, give me a second. Drop L7. And run. No! I don't want to take trips. Trips suck. Good, I'm gonna have to come back for these items, so I might as well just start placing everything in. Oh, that. Let me go look around. Wooden cage, no. Ooh, wooden shield. Wooden shield, yeah, What? I'm still overcrumped? Ah. Just amazing. Just looking amazing. Split stack. Hat. Put you guys in there. Well, that doesn't matter for you, it's just all split. Yeah, it was just split. Those are carrots. Or rockets, we'll just call them, since in the name they have rocket. My character's extremely slow. I think I died about 5 to 10 times from fall damage. Not really the smartest. These are where you can get X species plants. Whatever, they're X species plants, and they're pretty rare, but it's easy with them. Sometimes, at a small percent chance. No, look, a Megalodon. Hey guys, look, it's a Megalodon. Sacrifice. Oh, come on, I was so close. Oh, actually, we have a lot of wood down here. Good supply of wood, a good supply of rocks. A lot of trees over there, but that's a redwood time. You didn't go there a lot. Just there be big boys over there. Giant dinosaurs that I don't really want to fight. I think this is a bit too many. Yeah, no, probably. You know how hard it is, guys, for me to actually flick this? And having to move around as well. This is probably enough. There! All done, 6 by 6. And now I need a whole bunch of walls. But the walls are cheaper. So it probably won't take me as long. Well then I need to move everything from here to there. So I need to get a storage space. Just here. Putting everything heavy away. Give me a second. No one cares! No, the silk! I'll find it. Damn it, spoiled meat. Where would it be at? You gotta find it quick. There it is. What? Oh, you're hungry. And that's what 4 starved is. But I'm just gonna end it here, guys. This